how to make Facebook page. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can make your own Facebook page or create a new own Facebook page. All you have to do is open the Facebook app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and download it from App Store. After you open your Facebook app, go to menu at the bottom right of the screen. After you press menu, there you can see multiple options. If you cannot see all these options, all you have to do is press see more, and at the bottom left you can see pages. After you've tapped it, there you can see you can just tap on create. All you have to do is press on get started, enter the name of your page. After you've entered the name of your page, press next and what category that best describes your Facebook page. After you have entered the category that best describes your Facebook page, press create. After you have done it, and now your Facebook page is now created. If you want to promote your products or services, you can go ahead or create content and connect with your fans. You can just press on one setting and option and press continue, and that is how you can create a Facebook page. That's it for today's video, guys, and if you got any question, guys, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.